Yes, my dear students, let me continue the complex analysis, the paper 3. Today, I would like to give you one beautiful definition, and based on the definition, I would like to solve some important examples, examination point of view, for 2 marks. So, the definition is harmonic function. So, the here I would like to define the harmonic function. Yes. What is this harmonic function then? The real valued function u, a function with xy, where x and y are real valued terms, and u is a function, is a real valued function, is said to be harmonic function if its partial derivatives with respect to x, second order partial derivative with respect to x, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. If this condition holds good, this equation we call it as Laplace equation. So in general, we say that ux square means partially second order derivative with respect to x. Uy square, it is partially differentiated to a second order partial differentiation with respect to y. This is 0. This equation we call it as a Laplace equation. Suppose this equation satisfied, then we say that u is a harmonic function. U, we call it as a harmonic function. Okay, let us see few simple examples. So how to prove this, the harmonic function? So prove that, the first example is, prove that the function u equal to x cube minus 3x square y, x cube minus 3xy square, I'm sorry, it is 3xy square, is a harmonic function. So it is a 2 marks example. We want to prove this. Yes, so this is given equation. Differentiate partially with respect to x first. Dou u by dou x equal to x cube differentiation is 3x square minus you are differentiating with respect to x means y constant 3y square. And if I differentiate partially with respect to y here, the same function with respect to y. Here there is no y term, totally x term become constant, 0 minus 3x into y square differentiation is 2y. So 6xy. It is first order differentiation. And second order differentiation, dou square u by dou x square equal to, it is 6x. X square is 2x into 3 minus this is 0. And this, if I take that, dou square u by dou y square partially with respect to y, it is minus 6x only, because y differentiation is 1. Therefore, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u plus divided by dou y square equal to 6x minus 6x. This get cancels, the answer will be 0. Therefore, u is harmonic function. It is a harmonic function. So very easy to prove it. Get partially with respect to x and y twice and add this, you get 0, then the function is a harmonic function. Yes, second example if I consider. The second example is, show that the function u equal to y cube minus 3x square y is a harmonic function. Yes, I would like to prove it is a harmonic function. So differentiate partially with respect to x, dou u by dou x equal to, first it is 0 because there is no x term, minus it is 6xy, and dou u by dou y, if I differentiate partially with respect to y, it is 3y square minus 3x square, because y differentiation is 1 and x is constant. So dou square u by dou x square, once again if you differentiate it, minus 6y it is. So 6y constant, x differentiation is 1, and if I differentiate partially with respect to y, dou square u by dou y square equal to 6y minus 0. So adding them, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 6y plus 6y. And this get cancelled, you get 0, therefore u is harmonic. It is a harmonic function. Very easy to prove it. Let's take one more example. Prove that the function given by u equal to, it is x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1 is a harmonic function. I would like to prove it is a harmonic function. Yes, partially with respect to x first. Dou u by dou x equal to, it is 3x square minus 3y square. 3y square constant, x is 1, plus 6x minus 0 plus 0. Because y, only y, you are differentiating partially with respect to x, plus, and you are differentiating partially with respect to y. Same function. First of all, there is x, it is 0, minus 6xy, and this term is again 0, minus 6y plus 0. Yes, partially with respect to y I have differentiated. Again I am differentiating partially with respect to x. Dou square u by dou x square equal to 6x minus 0 plus 6 it is. And if I differentiate partially with respect to y here, dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 6, you are differentiating with respect to y. So minus 6x, y differentiation is 1, minus 6 into y is 1. Now adding now. D square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 6x plus 6, whereas that is minus 6x minus 6. So get cancelled. This is 0. Therefore, this u is harmonic function. It is a harmonic function. Yes. Okay, let us take one more, a different kind of example. Show that the function given by u equal to, a peculiar problem that I would like to consider, that u equal to e raised to x into bracket, it is x cos y, e raised to x into bracket x cos y minus y sin y. Prove that it is a harmonic function. Yes, I would like to prove it is a harmonic function. Dou u by dou x, partially I am differentiating with respect to. Here I am applying product rule, u into v. E raised to x constant and a bracket differentiation. Here again a x cos y is constant, x is 1, minus y sin y, there is no x, so it is totally becomes 0. Plus this bracket constant, x cos y minus y sin y into e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x. If I take this e raised to x common in the both the bracket, here cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. This is dou u by dou x. Again let me differentiate partially with respect to x again. Dou square u by dou x square equal to, once again product rule I am applying, e raised to x constant and cos y differentiation is 0 because there is only cos term is there. Now I am applying x cos y. X cos y, here cos y is constant, x differentiation is 1. So minus totally it is 0, plus cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y into e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x. Once again I would like to take e raised to x common. So I am adding these two brackets, cos y plus cos y is 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. This is dou square u by dou x square. Call this as a 1. Now I would like to differentiate again dou u by dou y, differentiate partially with respect to y. E raised to x is totally constant, only a bracket I would like to differentiate it. Here x is constant, cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Yes. Minus u into v bracket. Product rule I am applying because both are variable, differentiable terms. Y constant, sin y differentiation is cos y, plus sin y constant, y differentiation is 1, bracket complete, over. If I simplify this, e raised to x into bracket minus x sin y minus y cos y and minus sin y. It is dou u by dou y. Again I differentiate partially with respect to y. Second order derivative to get it. Then it is dou square u by dou y square equal to, once again e raised to x is a constant totally because you are differentiating partially with respect to y. Here x is constant, sin y differentiation is cos y minus x cos y. Yes. Product rule I am applying, both are differentiable. Before that, this I can differentiate minus cos y minus, put the bracket, u into v, y constant, cos y differentiation is minus sin y, plus cos y constant, y differentiation is 1, bracket complete, bracket, hold this bracket. Simplify this, e raised to x into bracket minus x cos y minus cos y, here minus into minus plus y sin y and minus cos y, plus into minus minus. Let us simplify this. If I simplify this, it is e raised to x minus x cos y minus 2 cos y plus y sin y. It is a second order derivative with respect to y. Call this as a 2. Adding 1 into, adding 1 and 2. It is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to e raised to x into bracket, first equation, 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y, bracket complete, plus second equation, e raised to x into minus x cos y minus 2 cos y plus y sin y. See, in these two bracket, e raised to x is a common factor. Let me take it out. If I take it out, e raised to x into bracket 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y minus x cos y, because e raised to x is taken common, minus 2 cos y plus y sin y. See, 2 cos y minus 2 cos y cancels, x cos y cancels, y sin y cancels, u raised to x into 0, this is 0, therefore u is harmonic function. It is a harmonic function, that is all. So, in order to prove this harmonic function, just differentiate partially with respect to x twice, differentiate partially with respect to y twice and add them. If you get 0, then it definitely is a harmonic function. So this is an important part you have to remember. Then another theorem is there. We have a theorem, important theorem, so examination point of view. Based on this theorem, we have to solve many examples. What is this theorem? The theorem is simple theorem, but very important theorem, examination point of view. The theorem is If f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic function, suppose this function is analytic, then both u and v are harmonic functions. Both are harmonic functions. Here this v is called harmonic conjugate of u. This v is harmonic conjugate of u. You have to prove both u and v are harmonic functions. How to prove this? Very simple. So get the second order derivative with respect to x, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. You should get 0. Similarly, dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0. If you get these two equations separately, then u is a harmonic function as well as v is a harmonic function. This v is called harmonic conjugate or vice versa. U is harmonic conjugate of the v. So these are the terms we have to prove it. Quite simple. Proof is very easy for 5 marks. Yes, let us prove. So proof of this, f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, is an analytic function. Therefore, by CR equation, the first theorem of the complex analysis, CR equation, Cauchy-Riemann equation. What is that? Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. This is one equation, CR equation 1. Similarly, dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. This is 2. Okay, let us take first the u is the harmonic. I would like to prove it. Now, differentiate partially with respect to x both from 1. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou x equal to dou by dou x of dou v by dou y. It is dou square u by dou x square equal to dou square v by dou x into dou y. Similarly, from 2 here, differentiate partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y equal to dou by dou y of minus dou v by dou x. It is dou square u by dou y square equal to minus dou square v by dou y into dou x. It is also equal to, you know that, minus sign as it is, dou square v by dou x into dou y. It is a commutative condition. Now adding dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to dou square u by dou x square is dou square v by dou x into dou y, whereas dou square u by dou square y is, this is minus of dou square v by dou x into dou y. This cancels, you get 0. Therefore, u is harmonic. Is a harmonic function. On the similar line, I have to prove v is a harmonic conjugate, harmonic function. Same line I have to apply. Let us take the reverse of this. Yes, from 1, dou by dou y of dou v by dou y equal to dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. It is dou square v by dou y square equal to dou square u by dou y into dou x. It is same as dou square u by dou x into dou y. It is commutative condition. This is one. Similarly here, I would like to take it. Dou by dou x of dou e by dou x equal to dou by dou x of, this minus sign I would like to take here. It is minus dou u by dou y. Or dou square v by dou x square equal to, minus sign outside, dou square u by dou x into dou y. Now adding. If I add this, adding dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square equal to, it is minus dou square u by dou x into dou y, whereas this is plus dou square u by dou x into dou y. Again this term cancels, you get 0. Therefore v is also harmonic. It is a harmonic function. Yes. And this v is called harmonic conjugate of the u. Based on this harmonic function and harmonic conjugate, we are going to construct some of the examples. So when u is given, we have to find out the v, then use that u plus iv, which gives the complex function. So let us do those examples in the next class. Thank you.